Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Widi Muntakin, founder of Expose Academy and EduTalenta. This online course was originally two courses combined into one. In the first course, you will learn Microsoft Excel from the very basics until you can master all aspects of the software. And in the second course, you will go deeper into formulas and functions in Excel. The curriculum is carefully crafted so you can learn Excel in the shortest time possible, but still through a learning process that feels easy. After this course, inshallah, you will have real and applicable competencies in Excel that can help your business or your career. In addition to providing complete lessons from start to finish, this course also provides 2 levels of exams to reinforce and guarantee that you have mastered all the skills. Upon completion, we will reward your success with a valid Udemy certificate that can help boost your professional resume. I am an entrepreneur who is also an academic lecturer in information systems and computer graphics. I have a bachelor's degree in software development and a master's degree in information systems and business management. For more than 20 years, I have been using Microsoft Excel for a variety of needs, be it for business or academic purposes. I use Excel for bookkeeping or finance, student data management, academic research, project management, data analysis, and so on. By the time I published this course, I had more than 50,000 students at Udemy with an average star rating above 4.5. and a total of 100,000 students worldwide. There are so many things that you will learn in this online course. It will be too long to explain all of them in this short video. To see the details, you can check the curriculum section. As a macro overview, there are a total of 18 chapters, excluding the introduction chapter, 10 of which are from the basic level course, and 8 of which are from the advanced formula and functions course. In total, there are more than 135 lessons and more than 16 hours of video content. In the first course, after the introduction chapter, you will learn the basics of Microsoft Excel such as the UI, navigation techniques, etc. Learn about data types and techniques for working with data. Then you will learn how to use various types of cell references, from the simplest to the most complex ones. Next, you will learn the ins and outs of data presentation in Excel. Then, learn various techniques for structuring the table. In the next section, you will learn about various things related to graphics, such as creating smart art, charts, and sparklines. In the next chapter, we will discuss advanced data processing techniques. We will discuss things like find and replace techniques, data sorting, filters, and so on. And after that, we will discuss in detail everything related to tables, pivot tables, and how to combine the two features. We will also cover a variety of conditional formatting features from the basic examples to more complex ones. And in final chapter, we will cover different techniques related to printing and exporting, such as defining print areas, exporting to PDF, and so on. In the second course, first, you will learn important tips related to working with formulas in Excel. Then, you will learn advanced techniques related to tables and dynamic arrays. In the next chapter, you will learn various conditional functions such as ifs, sum ifs, average ifs, etc. You will also learn logical functions such as AND, OR, and NOT. Next, you will learn various lookup functions such as VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, index, match, xmatch, etc. You will learn in detail the match mode and search mode arguments complete with various use cases. We will discuss rounding and division techniques such as round down, round up, and so on. In the next chapter, you will learn various techniques related to date and time, such as extracting time data, converting time to different formats, and so on. Next, you will learn in-depth various techniques for working with text data. In the final chapter, you will learn various functions related to statistics, such as how to forecast future conditions based on trends or past data. So don't wait any longer. Join this course now and maximize your Excel skills to their fullest potential. Wassalamualaikum.